We usually use the machine on auto mode.
This how much you can input this?
We have to set the input
One
here.
second.
We will we will put the seconds, the time here. Okay, we will
Frequency.
yes, we will increase the frequency. We can pulse width. Okay, everything can be controlled only for this. The frequency, the width, the current can control from there. Okay, so basically when we select the current, we will select the time. Okay, like 1 second, 2 second, or 3 second, 4 second. The current will automatically multiply with this. Like if we selected 1 second at that much joule current, then what happened, we will, when we increase the time, the current will also get increased according to 2 second. Okay, so what happened when we use
auto mode?
yes, it should be connected with the ECT out.
Okay.
What happened when we use it on auto mode, the program we did there, when we
1 second,
yeah
70 hertz.
yes, we programmed it, and when we push that button, the current which we programmed, it delivered that current to the patient. If we selected there 1 second, it will give a shock within a second, and it will sound beep, and the machine will do a beep sound. That means the current is delivered successfully. And there you will get the notification P in the display that current passed. Okay, if anything goes with the wrong, then there will be F, that current fail.
Okay.
Okay, it will indicate you whether the things are going good or not. Okay, if by any chance like you delivered the shock and maybe the patient didn't get it, so it will show there that shock failed.
Shock fail.
Okay.
Dia mau ada speakernya atau langsung di sini tulisan F ya nanti ya?
Oh ya. Is this
can sound it
or just the
successfully
display?
or fail it?
Yeah, it will also do a beep sound.
Beep sound. Beep.
Ada.
Ada suara
Oh, beep,
sound,
beep.
Yeah.
Beep sound.
For successful current, it will give you a beep sound.
Beep sound.
That current
Beep
is
sound.
delivered
Yeah.
successfully.
Okay.
Okay.
But
it will like,
If fail,
if fail, then it will show fail, and it will also do a beep sound. Don't
Do a
worry.
beep sound.
Yeah, it will
sound,
indicate you that the current failed.
Yeah.
So that's why there are the buttons. Okay, if you selected there 4 second current, then when you press this button, it will deliver the current till 4 seconds. And when you use it on manual mode, you have changed the mode. So till the button will be pressed, current will be continuously flowed till you manually stopped it. That is manual mode. Usually it not used anywhere, but if doctor has a special patient, so he can put it on manual mode, and he can give him current manually according to his time, according to his current value.
this one put is on.
Yes.
2 put is off.
Yeah. No. You don't need to off it. When it is on auto mode.
Auto mode is always
It will
on and off. Auto
just
on and off.
Just on. After current delivered, it will sound beep. Current
Beep.
passed, current will be stop automatically.
Automatically.
Stop automatically.
You don't need to
put again. Not.
Yeah, you have to do it only when you use it on manual mode.
Okay.
That you have to do manually. That is automatic machine.
Okay.
When you have installed it, the whole machine will do everything by itself.
Yeah.
You just have to handle the equipment, handle the patient.
Yeah.
Yes. You just have to handle the patient. And handle the equipment. So
Yeah.
that is all about this machine, and I would like to tell you one more thing.
Okay.
Sebenarnya sangat simpel ya Pak sebenarnya.
See,
Iya,
there
cuma
you
auto
can
sama
do.
itu.
These are the IDs.
Okay.
Okay.
ID patient.
Yes, you can assign a ID to a patient.